An alternative way to attach the Mobi handle is by using the toolkit that comes in your case. To take the small piece of plastic and the small screwdriver, you want to make sure that you are aligning the small piece of plastic perfectly where the Mobi handle would be placed on your case. Then you take the small screwdriver and you begin drilling until you make 2 holes on either side of the case. Next step, you place the case on top of the Mobi handle and align the holes with the Mobi handle. You take one of the screws and place perfectly in the center, and then with the small screwdriver, you begin screwing this piece of plastic in with the Mobi handle. Take the other screw and align on the other side.